But Jordy, you're supposed to slice it in thin little pieces and put it on crackers. Oh, shut up. Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jordy at Carving Fusion here. I got this piece of driftwood. It's I think I picked it up on the beach maybe a month ago. It's dry now. I had it inside. It's 9 inches wide by 13 inches tall. So I'm pretty sure it's cedar, red cedar. It's kind of, look at the back. So you guys, you know, it just goes to show you can carve wood like this. I don't know what it's going to be like on the inside. You guys, so when you see an old piece of wood like this, who knows, walking down the road, you see it in the field. Let's see what beautiful color we can get out of here. I don't even know what I'm going to carve in it yet. I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe a bunch of wood spirits. Yeah, I know this is the wood spirit carving show, but let's just get her done. I'm going to start off with a wood spirit in the middle, then I might do some on the sides. Who knows, I might do some skulls, might do some funny faces, different types of faces. I'm just going to start carving, okay? I'm going to start off with my Kutzall Extreme flame burr, if I can find one here. This is my go-to burr, Kutzall Extreme flame burr. You can find these in the description below. If you go to Kutzall site, use code CFusion, you'll save yourself 5%. Hi Ben, hi Rob. Okay, bye. Guys, I just want to give this tip for the real beginning wood carvers here. That's I'm running a Dremel 4000 with a Dremel flex shaft for this wood carving. Repeat. Anyways, I just put some tape around my fingers, so when you hold your handpiece, trust me, your finger won't hurt. I got callus so much on my finger it doesn't hurt, but when I'm carving, wood carving for war, yeah, I put the tape on. It's war tape, that's what it is. Well, it's wood carving war tape. Okay, I don't know what happened here, but I got into a carving frenzy. So when I started carving this, I was going to do just a normal wood spirit and a bunch of wood spirits around. But once I started cutting into it, I realized it's a beautiful piece of old cedar. Like, look at that grain and the nice brown color. So I just carved. I carved this chin deep. My buddy Gurdeep, I haven't seen him in a year, but he stopped by when I was carving. He freaked the crap out of me. He's like, all of a sudden I feel something hard to my throat. It's like a dagger or something. Then he yells at me, carve deep. Jordy, carve deep. So, well, Gurdeep, there you go. I carved deep. Then he left. So anyways, let's try and give this guy some, I think it's pretty well done. I'm not going to, like, this is something somebody can hang on their cabin or whatever, right? So I'm going to sand this really clean. I'm going to oil this piece too. For my friend Claire out there in Paris or France. She loves the wood grain. So you still got some old cracks in here from the driftwood. That's what I'm saying, guys. If you see an old piece of wood, you never know what's on the inside, right? So let's see if we can carve some eyes in here. Not my typical eyes. I don't know. I'm just going to start carving eyes. You know, eyes can really make or break a piece, right? So this guy doesn't even really need eyes. I can give this guy sleeping eyes too. You know, just something like this. Make it like he's sleeping. This would make a good green man too with all the leaves coming out. So anyways, I think I am going to make this guy sleeping. Just something simple, right? Yeah, so just carve those. I'm going to carve on this side of the line, make these raised and kind of round them out. So I don't know. Let's see if it works. So if see what I'm saying? I'm going to carve on this side of the line, take some of this wood away, and then I'll try and make it round inside here. So it looks like a kind of eyeballs underneath the eyelid. Yeah, I think this chief is sleeping. Okay, as the fun still continues here at Carving Fusion, I cut in some eyes. Why not? First time I've done eyes like that. I think they're more like native style, Western native. So, yeah, I like this guy. I think he's neat. You know, you could carve like a welcome up there. Somebody can put it on their telephone post or whatever you want to do. But today's my lucky day. I got some brand new sandpaper, 80 grit, on this peterblair mandrel. I lost the washer on the back, though I can't find it. But anyways, let's get this sucker sanded down and put some oil on it. I might paint black inside these eyes here, just to give them highlights. Maybe I'll paint them red. I don't know. Well, I'm going to sand it first. Okay, bye. Another thing too, like Ryan Cook's, this style kind of looks like something Ryan Cook would do. It just shows that the lessons that day we carved together, like how it's really, you know, where like influencing me. So check out his channel, guys. Ryan Cook, chainsaw carving, professional chainsaw carver, wicked dude. Okay, bye. Today, at a very low price, I'm going to sell this pretty well empty tube of red dollar store paint. I take PayPal payments. If I can get them friggin' paint out of there. Nope, just no. Red's not working. It's got to be black. Yeah. Oh, that's better. Okay, we'll finish this up and I'll be back. I'll throw in the paint tray too, and well, I can't throw in this paintbrush because it was a gift from Larry. But anyways, PayPal 40 bill in dollars, yeah. Okay, bye. Okay, so what I'm gonna oil this with, I got some mineral oil. Look how clear this stuff is, guys. So I think, in my opinion, it comes pretty close to linseed oil, right? So I got it in this little cup here, and I got a paintbrush, and oh yeah, I got this guy here. You ever see that, Ben? Studio on the Lake over there, YouTube channel? Just a little troll I carved one day. Just thought I'd show you the troll. Yeah, that's it. Little troll. Right, Evo Rick? Just a little troll. Okay, so let's see how dark this goes. Boom! Look at that color pop. Oh, yes. See, when I put the black in, I thought, oh man, it looks pretty like bright black in there. But once you get the oil on, look how dark it goes. Beautiful Western cedar wood carving right here. Okay, so let's finish this up and then I'll be back.
Honey, don't grab that piece of wood. It's all gross and yucky and gray looking and it's all rotten.
I say, pardon? So there you go. So I left most of the wood. I carved the face into the wood. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece of old Western red cedar for this wood carving. All the cracks and stuff. Super old first growth piece of wood. Just goes to show you. You can make that old ugly gray wood look like something beautiful like this. You never know what the treasure inside is of the piece of the wood. I like those eyes. What's he looking at anyways, though? I like this guy. What's he looking at, though? Those eyes over there. Oh, he's looking at my side of sockeye smoked salmon I just got today. I'm going to eat for dinner. Yes, he is. You dirty little dog. Anyways, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give it a like, please. And more tutorials on wood carving, wood spirits, and whatever we do here. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See ya. Goodbye.